Good morning, boys and girls, and it's Tuesday today, and I'm in school, as you can see, so there might be a little bit of noise in the background, but I hope it doesn't distract you. So let's start with our date. And today's date is Tuesday, the 23rd of February 2021. Tuesday, the 23rd of February 2021. So make sure you practice writing that every day, writing your date every morning as you start your work. Moving on to our spellings then, and you can say the words after me. Wait, train, explain, holiday, stay, Sunday, take, make, games, making, table, and grey. Moving on to our sounds in focus, and we're now on question 4. Question 4 asks you to cross out words with this week's sound, the A sound, and write the words that are left on the line below. So remember now, be careful with this one. You have to cross out the words that do have this week's sound. So the first word you would cross out would be make. And when you've crossed out all of your A words, you'll be left with a sentence that makes sense. Because right now it doesn't make sense. I, make, carry, came, my, baby, house, April. Okay? So once you cross out the A words like make and came and baby and so on, then you will have a sentence and a question that makes sense. And then you'll have to think of a little answer here. Okay? So once you cross out your A sounding words, then this will make more sense to you. And I'll give you a clue to this. The answer is an animal, a type of animal. Okay, so you have a statement here and a question about it, and then you write out your statement, leaving out all the A words, and then you think of your answer here. Question 5 asks you then to read the clues and finish the words. Write the words you have made on the line. So we have lots of A words, and they're all within this list of words here. So you can look through those to help you to complete these words. Okay, that's actually easy enough, I think, for you. Question 6 then asks you the same thing. Read the clues, finish the words. Write the words you've made on the line. So again, you have a clue at the end here, just like you had up here. So you just fill in the blanks using words from your list. And I think that's probably enough of sounds in focus for today. For literacy today, we're going to do a comprehension again. So I want you to read through the story, The Terrible Trip Up, all about a race, and then complete the questions on the next page. Here it is. So I'm just going to read through the questions, but you, of course, will read through the text after this video, okay? How were the rabbits feeling before sports day? Scared, guilty, worried? Number 2, what did the cheetahs say that showed they were feeling confident about sports day? Question 3, tick 2 sports day races that are not mentioned in the story. Running race, obstacle race, bat and ball race. Number 4, find and copy one word that is used instead of said. Question 5, complete the sentence. They won the trophy because they're something, something, something. Number 6, what do you think the other animals learnt from the rabbits, and how did they learn this? Okay, and you've got 3 lines to fill in there as well. Okay, so what did the other animals learn from the rabbits, and how did they learn this? So it's a 2-part question. What did they learn, and how did they learn it? What did they see? Now, for the rest of the week for maths, you will need to have this times tables page from your pack handy, because the rest of our work for this week will all be on times tables. Now, over the last few weeks, we did maybe a page on the 4 times tables, and a page on the 3 times tables, and a page on the 5s. But now we have the 3s, 4s, and 5s all together. Okay? So work your way through the questions, and each one is a calculation from one of those tables. So for example, how many barrels of water are on 3 wagons? So one wagon has 6 barrels of water, What would 3 wagons have? 3 times 6. 4 wagons, 4 times 6. 5 wagons, 5 times 6, and so on. So you will find as you work through this page that you're always working out a calculation from the 3s, the 4s, or the 5 times tables. And sometimes they may be the other way around. How many bags of flour on 7 wagons? You might think, well, I don't know the 7 times tables. But bags of flour, 7 times 3. You know your 3 times tables. If you know 3 times 7, then you know 7 times 3. And of course you have your times table sheet here to help you if you're stuck, your 3s, your 4s and your 5s. But try to work them out yourself first, and then you can refer to this if you need it. Down at the bottom then for question 4 and 5, you've just a selection of 3, 4 and 5 times questions. Here you just write out the question and write the answer, and here you fill in the blank. You fill in what is missing, okay? So try to do as much of this as you can without referring to this sheet, but as I say, it's there if you need it, all right? And boys and girls, as always, continue on with your accelerated reading. You would have been sent a list of book titles for this week to keep you going. Don't panic if you don't get them all read. I just wanted to make sure you have enough. And after all, we just want you to do one accelerated reader quiz a week if you can, all right? Continue on with Some Dog. And also I would say that Hit the Button would be your best friend this week as well, because it will help you with your times tables practice. Okay, talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.